Did you know that vinyl plank floor sales are on the decline while laminate flooring is coming back? Huge surge in sales. Which one of these two floors is vinyl and which one is laminate? Can you tell the difference? Both floors offer you amazing appearance and finish quality, but let's talk about the differences and show you why laminate flooring is coming back in popularity. Laminate flooring changed the DIY flooring home industry for good. All of a sudden, you did not have to hire a flooring professional to come into your house. You could snap the planks together and do it yourself. It was an amazing thing. However, laminate had problems. It was not moisture or water resistant at all. If it was installed in kitchens and bathrooms or near exterior doors, they were having problems with it. It was getting water damaged. Also, cutting it is just like cutting wood. It's dusty, messy. Some homeowners didn't feel comfortable with that as it felt too much like a construction project. Introducing LVP or luxury vinyl planks. This changed the game, the flooring game, yet again. This addressed some of the problems with laminate. It was 100% waterproof. Instead of a fiber core, it has a PVC equivalent core, completely waterproof. It was easier to cut. Instead of power tools or saws, you literally can score it with a utility knife and snap it. Easier to work with, easier to install. But vinyl also has its problems. The snap together system is way too thin. I'm not that strong, and as you can see, it doesn't hold up. When you're snapping them together and using mallets and pounding blocks, often these will damage, causing you problems. Also, because vinyl is flexible, way more flexible than laminate, if your floor is not perfectly flat, you'll notice a lot of movement. Now, when you put heavy furniture and daily use on that amount of movement, it will tend to snap these edge pieces, causing you problems, and the floor will fail. If you think vinyl planks are superior, let me know in the comments down below. Which one are you going to pick? This is a superior product in my opinion, but I know there's other opinions out there. And that's why laminate flooring is making a huge comeback in sales. If you look at the big box home improvement stores, all of a sudden vinyl, LVP, I don't know what's so luxury about it, but it's called luxury vinyl planks, was a huge seller. Real estate agents on the videos were telling you were going to add lots of value to your house by putting in LVP planks. If you looked at the home improvement stores, all of the options were vinyl planks and laminate was going away. It looked like you weren't even going to be able to find laminate planks in the future. Vinyl was the future, and realtors were saying add a lot of value to the house. Now, because of the problems with vinyl and the strength and resilience of laminate, laminate is on the way back. The big difference was the waterproofing. Vinyl was superior in all wet areas, kitchen, bathrooms, near your exit doors and entries. It was waterproof, 100% waterproof. Well, now they're making laminates that are rated for 100% waterproof. They've changed the formulation of the inner core. So this is the future. Laminated planks being waterproof, they're stronger, they're much stiffer. Vinyl has too much flexibility. It shows the imperfections in your subfloor, whereas laminate is stronger, so it holds up and gives you a flatter floor. That is vinyl. It shows the imperfections of the subfloor, and it moves when you walk on it. This laminate floor will be more rigid and stand up for years to come. Let me know in the comments down below, are you picking vinyl planks or laminate planks for your next flooring project?